Now, if you want to see your sales history, it's very easy. Just go to the finance section in your OneCart dashboard, click on sales history. Now select the range for which you want the report. So let's just select something random here, July 1st to, let's say, August 1st. Now you have the option of having the listing name and variation name to be included in the report, but for a cleaner report, I am not going to include it here. Choose the format and then generate the report, and it should be available for you to download, and then just click on your downloads and open up the report. So I'll just pause the video and do that for you right now. And there you have it. This is the download that I just got, and let's have a look through. So we have the date of the order, the platform, the shop name in the specific platform, the order number, the SKU, quantity, sold price, and also the order status. So of course this is just a dummy account, so that's why you see all the cancelled orders over here. But this is just a very quick tutorial for you to have a quick way to get your sales data for all your platforms in one Excel file.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.